So far everything might seem okay, but there's actually a pretty significant design decision we've made here which is going to give us significant problems later on. Let's go ahead and see what that is. The first thing I'm going to do is update my test to illustrate this further. What I'm going to do is move this first test down the bottom and run them in a different order. You'd expect these tests to be completely isolated and the order to have no difference. However, if I save this one off now, we're going to see one of the tests is going to fail. And this is definitely not what you would expect. Each test should be completely isolated and the order shouldn't matter at all. Let's go ahead and see what's wrong with our implementation and fix it up. So let's head up to our top file here, our composable. And the problem here is we have this boards variable and it's global. So when we update this in any of our tests, our current board is going to be updated for all other tests as well. And this is not really what we want to be doing. Eventually we'd like to probably support more than one tic-tac-toe game at once as well. So we need to have some way to isolate these variables. What I'm going to do is grab all of these and just move them down inside of my composable in here. I'm also going to delete this export variable here, we don't need that anymore. Let's go ahead and line that one up, and this should hopefully fix our problem. Let's save it off and then reflect on why this is fixing our problem. What's happening now is every time we call use tic-tac-toe, we're going to get a new instance of the initial board and a new instance of the boards variable, so we're no longer going to have that cross-test contamination. This is a good thing and we're able to solve our problem. This does introduce some other problems, however, we're going to meet those later on, but for now we fixed up our test and we're able to run them in any order we like and everything is going to continue passing.